Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to connect Nike running club to Apple Watch. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To connect Nike Run Club app to your Apple Watch, what you need to do is first check compatibility. Ensure your Apple Watch is compatible with Nike Run Club app. The app is available on Apple Watch Series 1 and later. Number second is to download the apps both on your phone and on your Apple Watch. So what you need to do is head over to your App Store and then on the search bar simply type in Nike Run Club, and once you tap on it here you'll be seeing the app. Tap on the app and then tap on Get to successfully install the app. Now once you install the app on your phone, be sure to install the app on your Apple Watch as well. Now the next step is to sign into your Nike Running Club app. So all you gotta do is simply sign into your account, and then if you don't have an account, simply create one. Now the next step is to pair your Apple Watch. Make sure your Apple Watch is paired with your iPhone. You can check this in the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. Enable notifications on your iPhone. Go to the settings. So enable notifications. To enable notification, you need to go to the settings, then tap on notifications and then scroll down and then tap on Nike Run Club, and then let me just assume this is the one, and all you got to do is allow the notifications as well. And now lastly, what you need to do is just launch the app on your Apple Watch, and once you do that, you'll be successfully able to connect your Nike Run Club to Apple Watch, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.